Hey folks, once again, thank you for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with another new one. Check this out. It's got a familiar body shape. It is what I call Twisted Classic. Because it is familiar, but it's not, to spec identical, because I don't make these guitars. I made this one, but I don't make, what I'm talking about. Yeah, take a look at it. You've seen this look before? Yeah. But, upon special request, I will twist a classic up for you. This one we've twisted several ways. I mean, not only did we add an arm carve, a belly carve, and a little knuckle carve, but check out all the strings. It's 12 string. Well, that's not twisted enough. Let's go baritone. That's right. It is a 12 string baritone. All the specs are written for you right there in the description. But check it out. We got some Kluson tuners. We've got 0 fret, of course, as we like to do that, stainless steel. We got stainless steel all the way down on this one. And on the frets, we've got Rosewood. Like I said, the specs are in there. Gotoh, we've got Dude going on with pickups there. We've got push-pull pots. Let's give you a sound demo. And then get going here. Yeah, so let's get a little beat. I don't know what I'm playing. I haven't practiced a riff yet. Let's do that together. What do you say? Ooh, let's walk this way. No, just kidding. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's do that. possibilities are endless. You can even make music with this, so that's pretty cool. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars and getting another nice little demo out for you. It was a lot of fun making this guitar. I mean, just look at that. I mean, look at that. It is exactly what you think it is. Yeah, it is beautiful. And we got this one coming up pretty soon. I got to get a little bit of wiring. Lydia's going to finish the wiring for us, and I'll get the frets polished and the neck on. That's about all I got to do with the neck is polish the frets, load the tuners, and boom. This one will be stringed by the end of this weekend, which means in another couple days you'll have yet another demo. What can I say? And please follow along with the Naima build if you're not already. Click the like, subscribe thing so you'll get to see how that one's going. That is a special guitar, and it will be, it should be strung within a week or two. So hopefully we'll get that video going with the finish. You'll see how I'm going to do the finish on that. It's going to be gorgeous. All right, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Have a wonderful day.